Hello, I am jesbell. We are going to see about levels of management, skills and function, and then management role under the subject of media management. First, functions of management in the media context. Several experts have made attempts at classifying management functions. The most generally accepted definition of the functions of management was given by Gones and O'Donnell. According to them, management performs the following functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. For our purpose in this unit, we shall adopt the 5 functions of management as given by Gones and O'Donnell and shall now proceed to explain each of the function. First, planning. This is the commonly referred to as the basic management function. It has to do with the preparation for the future operations of a business activity. C. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. It bridges the gap from where we are and where we want to be. Simply put, a plan is a future course of action. The second one is organizing. Organizing may be considered as preparation for putting plans into action. It is the process of bringing together both physical, financial, and human resources and developing productive relationships amongst them from the purpose of attaining organizational goals and objectives. Organizing as a management function involves identification of activities, classification or grouping of the activities, assigning duties, creating responsibilities, and assigning authorities to coordinate. Third one is staffing. This has to do with the functions of manning and organization and keeping it manned. The main purpose is to put the right person on the right job at the right time. It entails searching, selecting, resecuting, replacing, training, and developing of staff. It also includes performance appraisal, promoting, transferring, and retiring of staff. And then fourth one is directing. This is the interpersonal aspect of management, which has to do with influencing, guiding, supervising, instructing, and motivating subordinates for the purpose of achieving organizational goals. Then fifth one is controlling. This refers to measurement of current performance and correction of deviations. To ensure achievement of organizational goals, the purpose of control is to ensure that everything works in accordance with the planned standards. Controlling has these steps: establishment of organizational standard of performance, measurement of the actual performance, comparing the actual performance with the organizational standard to determine if there is any deviation. Now it is the time to see about managerial skills in media organization. Managerial skills are otherwise referred to effective leadership skills. They are leadership skills that successfully encourage team members to do their job effectively. They include, among others, first, strategic thinking. This is the skill of ability to evaluate situation and come out with a development plan betterment of the organization both in the present and in the future. And second, effective communication skill. This is enables leaders to efficiently communicate organizational plans to members for their comprehension and to inspire and motivate them to greater performance. Third one is resilience. This means being flexible. It means the ability to know how to handle different problems, knowing the kind of solution to provide to every problem in order to achieving organizational goal. And fourth, planning skill. Planning is another important managerial skill. It is the ability to plan ahead of time to achieve the aims of the organization. A manager needs to have vision for his organization for it to succeed in collaboration of the efforts of other members. And fifth one is technical skill. This implies that managers should not only have theoretical knowledge of the job, but must have the practical skills. This would enable them lead and direct by example. This skill is very important in media organizations, especially the broadcast. A manager of television or radio station should know the technical aspect of the job. Sixth one is public relations skills. This is the ability to relate effectively with both his staff and the external public. Seventh one is administrative skills. This has to do with having good knowledge and skills to manage both the human and material resources. It entails the ability to coordinate and control effectively and efficiently. Other managerial skills include the ability to listen, to learn, to discern, to predict what to work and what will not work. Now it is the time to discuss levels of management. The term levels of management refers to a line of demarcation between various managerial positions in an organization. The level of management determines a chain of command, the amount of authority and status enjoyed by any managerial position. The levels of management can be classified in three broad categories. First one is top level, and then one is middle level, and the other one is low level. Top level management. It consists of board of directors, chief executive or managing director. The top of management is the ultimate source of authority and it manages goals and policies for an enterprises. It devotes more time on planning and coordinating functions. Middle level of management. The branch managers and departmental managers constitute middle level. They are responsible to the top management for the functioning of their department. They devote more time to organizational and directional functions. In small organization, there is only one layer of middle level management, but in big enterprises, there may be senior and junior middle level of management. The next one is lower level of management. Lower level is also known as supervisory operative level of management. It consists of supervisor, foreman, section officers, superintendent, etc. Supervisory management refers to those executives whose work has to be largely with personal oversight and direction of operative employees. In other words, they are concerned with direction and controlling functions of management. Next, we are going to see about roles of management. Some roles is in there. First one is leadership and interpersonal roles. Which type of managers spend more time in leadership activities? The short answer is all effective managers display leadership characteristics. Leadership is the ability to communicate a vision and inspire people to embrace that vision. Informational roles. Informational roles involve the receiving and sending of information, whether as a spokesperson, a mentor. Your opinions will reflect on the business. Middle managers must skillfully determine what information from top management should be shared with others, would be interpreted and how it should be present. And then decision making roles. All managers are required to make decisions, but managers at different levels make different kinds of decisions. Hope you all get some information from this class. Thanking you.